2012 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, seat massage, leather seats, wood grain trim, memory seat, cooled front seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible hardtop, air ride suspension. Take home the car of your dreams today.